Hello guys, good morning. This is Krishna here. This is tutorial number 61. So in this tutorial I am going to discuss about axis system in CATIA. So this tutorial 61 axis system in CATIA. So let's start the explanation. So this is the previous part. I am going to explain in the same part. So just go to insert. Now here it is axis system. So if you click the axis system, so you can generate the new axis on your own choice path or positions, whichever the part or whichever the plane or whichever the position you want to create a new axis. So you can click the axis system. Now it is asking axis type. There are three types: axis standard, axis rotation, and ilu or angles. So there are three types of standard axis type. So I'll choose the standard. By default they are asking default computer, so it detected from the computer. So I'm going to change the location where I want the origin, like this is the original origin. So I'm going to choose this is my origin, or else I'll choose this is my origin. So I'll choose here this is my origin. Now here this is the origin. By this origin I'll pass through axis x y z direction. So in below you can able to see x direction, y direction, z direction. So there is a three directions, so you can choose the on choice direction. So suppose by default x direction I'll choose this is my x direction. So this is my x direction, and in below you can see here x direction is mentioned. Now y direction, if you want to select this is the y direction, you can select this is the y direction. Now it is asking default z direction, so you can choose like whichever side you want to mention the z direction. So I suppose I'll mention this is the z direction. So because of axis I define, so already is defined, so no need to choose the z direction, because if you'll select two direction, so automatically third direction will be detected from the computer. So click OK. So now here this is the x direction, and this is the y direction, and this is the z direction. So this is called axis system. I'm going to create a new origin in this point. So now just open the insert axis system, select the standard axis of revolution, and select the axis of revolution. Now select the origin point. This is my origin point. Now select the x direction. So I'll choose this is my x direction. Select y direction, or else it is not selecting because there is a reference point. So I'll select this is my reference point. Reference selection, here it is angles of rotations. -45°. This is the face I am going to reference. Click OK. Just cancel it. Go to insert axis system, default origin point. I'll choose this is my origin point. X direction, I'll choose this is my x direction. Y direction, I'll choose this is my y direction. Click OK. So now there is a one axis here. So this is called intersecting axis system in CATIA. So I hope you understand this one. Thank you for watching this video. I will discuss with another examples in coming video.